Every gold bar begins deep beneath the earth.
Every load is tested before the journey continues.
Tons of stone carry traces of hidden value.
Only profitable ore moves forward in the system. Precision drilling opens the next layer of ore. The mountain breaks apart one controlled blast at a time.
The fractured ore is prepared for transport.
Continuous movement keeps the operation alive. Even groundwater must be controlled before production continues. The first mechanical stage begins with constant flow. The rock now enters the heart of the facility.
Stone is reduced into processable material. Each stage creates a finer and more consistent feed.
Size separation prepares the ore for refining.
The material moves steadily toward chemical extraction.
Processed ore waits briefly before entering refinement. The mining stage ends where refining begins. Here, raw ore begins its transformation into pure gold. Every shipment moves under strict industrial control.
The refining process begins with precise measurement.
Raw material enters the refinery in controlled stages.
The ore advances deeper into the processing chain. Grinding prepares the ore for chemical recovery. Inside the mills, rock is reduced into fine particles.
Water and crushed ore combine into a flowing mixture. The valuable concentrate is slowly separated from waste. Chemical treatment begins the separation process. Precise chemistry unlocks microscopic traces of gold.
Constant testing protects the purity of production. Excess moisture is removed before final extraction. Heat prepares the concentrate for smelting. The concentrate grows denser with every stage. Each batch is verified before smelting begins. The refinery prepares for the final transformation. For the first time, raw ore becomes liquid metal.
Extreme heat separates metal from remaining impurities.
Each bar emerges from heat with measured precision. Refined metal now takes its final form. Every bar is verified, weighed, and permanently marked.
And this is how modern